we are going to walk through a Korean lash lift. I'm going to start by cleansing the eye with Elibana Makeup Remover. You can use cotton pads or a doe foot to do this. Do a lash assessment and then start by adding tape to the eyelid to ensure that the ultra flat shields sit flush. I'm going to gently apply these. Make sure there's no lashes stuck underneath the shield. Then we're going to apply our Eliplex Profusion with our Elimix Viscosity Controller just along the lash line and slightly brush through the lashes and pull upwards. The lashes will slowly start to soften as the disulfide bonds begin to break down. Deposit the lotion at the base of the lash line with a twisting and rolling motion. Just checking there's no lashes caught on the lower lash line, and then adding some cling film to add some additional heat. This will speed up the process slightly. Before repeating the same in the second eye. Quiet comfort is super important, so throughout the process we're just checking that they are comfortable and they have no burning, tingling sensations or product outside of where it should be placed. Just going to add a little bit of extra solution here to ensure that all the lashes are evenly coated and processing nicely, and then check and see how the lashes are processing. It's important to complete a 3-step flex check here, just because different parts of the lash line can process differently. So we're looking for that V shape with a singular lash. This is a sweep test, so you can see that the lashes are nicely sitting in the position we brushed them to. So this means they are ready to remove. If the lashes were to bounce back up slightly and not hold that position, they might need a little bit longer. We're just going to complete the same process on the other side and remove the solution with a cotton tip and onto a cotton round. That was dry, and then a little bit of water to remove the solution at the end. Now we're going to add our chosen rod shield or hybrid. In this case, this is a hybrid shield, and the lashes should be super soft now. Disulfide bonds have been broken down, so they're really malleable and easy to wrap to the chosen rod shield or hybrid with solution 2. This should also be mixed with a viscosity controller and will help with product migration and just add that slight extra bit of tension with the lashes so they don't slip around. And we're using our precision lifter tool here, smooth out any kinks in the lashes and set into the desired new position. And once you've completed your set check, so the lash bounces back straight up towards where we have put it on the rod shield or hybrid, your solution is ready to be removed. Here we're just removing with a dry cotton tip, smoothing out any of those lashes again and completing the same steps on the other side. And then just combing through with the PLT before removing the shields and the tape. So now the lashes are beautifully lifted into their newly set position. We're just going to apply our regen here for an extra conditioning treatment. This can be added into the tint, but this client wanted some extra hydration. So just brushing it through, and we'll leave it there for 3 to 5 minutes before removing. Just removing with a dampen pad. Now we're just brushing through some blue-black tint. We have already applied the Elibana Protective Balm to the eyelids to reduce any chance of staining on the eyelids. And now we're just applying the Eliplex Hyaluronic Boost finishing treatment for the lashes to help keep them extra hydrated. And there we go, that's the Korean Lash Lift. Looks absolutely beautiful.